Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode right, this whole amazing part right here in my hand, and basically what this is a 2-in-1 humidifier and also a diffuser as well. So you can put like essential oils on here to get that aroma or whatever. So for this one, it does have an intelligent sleep mode, it's super quiet, and also has a top fill design. And for this product, you guys can actually use almost any kind of essential oil, but the one that we have right here is from the brand as well. And all the flavors is right here, if you guys can see. So you just have all those options on here, you can use your own one. So before I open up the product itself, let me show you guys what each one of these looks like first. So when you open up, first as you can see is a little instruction manual right here. And then you guys can see all the different flavors right here. And for each one of these oils, there's only 10 milliliters. So you guys want to use it wisely. But now let's actually open up the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like before we test it out. Alright, so when we first open it up, first thing you guys can see is wellness done right. You guys can see that there's a protective layer right there. When we remove that protective layer, you can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So they do provide us an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it and all the different functionality that's on the product itself. And then here they also do provide you guys another instruction manual for a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to maintain it and how to use it. And then last but not least, we have the actual product itself. Let's take it out first. So everything was nicely wrapped, but I just took it off first. But here is the cable that I used to charge it up and activate it. On the top part right here, you can see that there's a little cover right here. Inside that is basically what it looks like right there. So this is where it's at in the water. And we remove this component right here. This is basically what it looks like inside. So the water can go through here and actually will start activating the product and start using it. And then right here are the button controls right here. So if you can see, there's an on and off switch and also the slide in mode right here. So right here is where the actual mist or whatever will come out from the actual humidifier itself. And basically once you guys activate the product, it actually has 3 different modes that you can go for. So there's a high, there's a low, and there's a medium mode. And there's also the sleep mode that I mentioned, but that's a different mode. And for this product, it's actually really cool because it has that top fill design that I mentioned. So it actually fills it up right here and it actually shows you guys where the maximum level is right there. You guys can see it's a maximum right there. So that's how you guys know where to fill it up to. And once you guys are done, you can put the lid right here back on top to seal it back and make sure it won't leak. On the bottom part, that's basically what it looks like right there. And if you guys want to know how to use essential oil correctly so you can get the full flavor and everything, you guys want to open one of these essential oil or any other ones that you guys have. You guys want to pour it into this base part right here inside. That way you can fully get the flavor of the essential oil. And then once you guys are done with that, then you can close the lid back up. Add the water in here, close the lid, activate it, and you guys can see the magic start happening or smell the magic. And I really love how easy it is to clean the product itself. Like once you guys take out this part here, you can spray water in here, rinse it, wash down or whatever. Same thing for this part as well, but you guys want to make sure you guys unplug the cable first. And for this product, it is BPA free as well, and it does have an auto shut off once it runs out of water, which is pretty cool. And it does have an ETL control option on here as well. And the way how to design this product is cool, so that way it has a double layer design, so this layer and also the interior layer as well. And obviously the product itself is supposed to be super quiet if you guys turn it on the sleep mode. And on the bottom of the product itself, you guys can see that they do have the anti-skid material, so that way it won't be moving around or shifting around when you guys actually have the product on and activated. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's actually test it out now and see how it works. So first thing I want to do is to add a little bit of the essential oil into the base itself first right here. And then we're gonna add the water inside. So I think I'm just going for this flavor right here, the eucalyptus. Alright, so that's what the inside looks like right there. So you just want to squirt a little bit onto the actual base of the actual product itself first. So I'm just gonna put 2 drops in the base right here. 1, 2, 3. That was accident, but that's 3. Close it back up. Put that on one side first, and then let's go add the water in here. So on the actual product itself, they do recommend you guys use distilled water, but you guys don't have to. It's just for better performance, they recommend you guys use distilled water. And they do recommend that you guys clean the base and the actual water tank itself every 3 days to make sure it's fully clean, and that way it won't go bad. So I'm gonna add the water in here first. I don't want to add too much, so I have some water in here. Let's pour it in. Alright, so that should be a good amount. Let me put it down first, and then we're gonna plug it in. Alright, so I have it plugged in right here. Close the lid that we have right here on top. Seal it up, and then let's turn it on and see when it actually works. So I want to press this button right here. And once we turn it on, you guys can definitely start to smell like the essential oil already. So right now it's on the low mode, you guys can see right there. If I click again, it turns to the next mode, and that's how strong the mist is. If I turn it on the high mode, now it's on the high mode. and the mist is actually really strong. Like, I don't need to cover it and see the mist already. So depending on your preference of which one you guys want to use, that's up to you guys. But obviously if you guys use like the high one, it's gonna be really strong, and like the humidifier itself is gonna be really like misty, if you guys can see. Like, I can see all that mist all around me already. And if you guys want to activate the sleep mode, just press this button right here and it turns on the sleep mode, if you guys can see. So for sleep mode, actually will go to like a low like mist mode, so that way it's not like really loud. It's actually really quiet. And if you guys want to turn it back to the regular misting mode, just press this button right here and turn it back to whatever setting you guys want to use, if you guys can see. So now it's back under the high mode right here, and you can see how strong the mist is. And once you guys are done, just press the button to turn it off, and then it's all set. So obviously you guys don't want to use this product unless you guys want to make it a little bit more humid. If you guys are living somewhere where it's like really humid, then you guys want to get a dehumidifier. So just by doing the test itself, you guys can see that the actual product itself works really well. Super easy to use. All you guys need to do is add the essential oil either inside the base or inside the water tank. Add in your water, adjust whatever preference you guys want to use, high, medium, or low. You guys can use the sleep option mode if you guys want to, or don't use that option at all. And if you guys are wondering what is the capacity for this product itself, this one can carry up to 1.8 liters, which is a good amount if you guys think about it. Obviously, if the size is too small for you guys, then you want to get a bigger one, so that's up to you guys. But now that we did quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this or any kind of other humidifier is definitely really worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, then make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and help this channel out as well. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.